Today I'm going to show you how to connect the magic mouse, the best mouse. So you don't need a battery, just charge with your wire, USB. This comes with a wire too, and the instruction is here. So it's no need even through. I don't want it. So this is very nice, very nice. I have this one before, so it's very good too, but I want to try that one, so this is very good too. So this is also Bluetooth. I need to put the battery here. This is very good. Battery is very good, you know. It give me a lot of battery, long times. You see, this is a very nice one too. And you can charge to your laptop by this USB wire, or you can charge like the regular way. So I'm going to show you how to connect it now. Okay, first you're gonna turn on the Bluetooth. Okay, if you don't have the Bluetooth right here, and just go to here, system preferences, and go to Bluetooth, and then you're gonna turn on your mouse. Okay, I just turn on it, and then it's connected. You see, done. It's already connected, and you can go to here and go to mouse. That's it, everything done. So this one you can adjust to faster, little bit slow. That's it. And now I'm charging my battery. Battery is already now 100%. Okay, now I'm gonna plug it out. Okay, once you plug out, then you see now I'm using my mouse. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.